As a trusted business broker, I'm thrilled to present this unique opportunity for you in sunny Florida. Our seller is closing their retail space and moving on, and this opens the door for your culinary dream. Nestled in a bustling heart of Broward County, this established bakery have been delighted customers since 2018 with a versatile layout and an impressive equipment package, including the build out of a grease trap and a vented exhaust. These possibilities here are endless. Imagine transforming this space into a charming coffee shop, a vibrant sandwich deli, or maintaining it as a beloved bakery. This bakery boasts a prime location with high traffic between US 1, Flagler Village, and Wilton Manors. With over 24,000 daytime residents and a thriving community, the potential customers base is substantial. The space is 1,100 square feet with an additional private room, and your wonderful dream can seat up to 50 guests and with 15 more outside. Operate on your own terms with the current hours being 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., Wednesday through Saturday. Are you dreaming of a breakfast and lunch cafe? I'm sure you are. This could be your canvas to make your dreams come true. Let's bring your concept to life in the light, open, and comfortable setting. To explore this opportunity further, reach out to me, Roberta Lowe. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Talk soon.